Looking for a free property tax appeal guide? Use a property tax appeal model assessment and win a reduction. As certified real estate appraisers, we will teach you how to win. We can help most people who might suspect they're overassessed. Why are most homeowners overassessed? Property tax assessments are done hastily and cheaply. Professionals find that there is a 40% to 60% plus overassessment in the United States. You could appeal your property tax and save hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year. Those yearly savings compiled over the next 5 or 10 years are significant. We give you free training for you to see if you have a case. If you have a case, we'll put you in the driver's seat. We wish to give you a guide on exactly how to win a real estate tax appeal using the most effective proof readily available. Our distinct training will bring your approach professionalism, helping you to win and save cash, getting the relief you are entitled to. Communities conduct mass property assessments so they can approximate a tax for homeowners. The property taxpayer has to give tax dollars for those government salaries, health care benefits, and pension advantages for it to exist. Unless the previous year's assessment is turned over, a mass assessment is performed. Occasionally these mass evaluations are done every 5 years, 8 years, perhaps 15 years. I have actually seen areas where the last mass assessment was conducted 40 years earlier. That mass appraisal is offered on a bid proposal basis. The lowest cost bidder obtains that job. Take into consideration, the one that won the proposal needs to make a profit from the people he employed. He needs to pay for overhead and also expenditures to fulfill the due date for that low-cost bid. Maybe a $25 per home community appraisal evaluation was his bid budget. Little time is allotted to that evaluation, a couple of minutes, maybe 10 minutes at most. Errors take place. Situations overlooked. Market value sales comparisons are absent. An accredited property appraiser will make the effort required for a true market value analysis. This is accomplished by comparing your residence to comparable sold homes. They will view category classifications and make monetary changes for valuation differences, supplying backup proof. Dollar adjustments need to be made for over-enhancements or deficiencies compared to your subject property. We'll train you step by step and show you how you can do the exact same thing. When the assessment was levied against your home, this logical scrutiny was lacking. We show you exactly how to make adjustments for distinct differences discovered between your house against equivalent homes. You'll use widely approved professional criteria for a genuine real estate market valuation. Our training shows you how to have solid backup evidence that will win your property tax appeal. Don't let a dubiously high residential or property overstated tax drain your financial resources. Download our totally free real estate tax summary guidebook today and start taking control of your tax expense. Get on board. This deal will not last forever, so get your complimentary study before it's too late. Who knows your neighborhood better than yourself? By comparing similar sold homes within a tight time frame, you'll get your answer. You'll get an accurate approximation of worth, the actual market value of your home. A blanket tax assessor canvassing your local area doesn't do that. Go to the mentioned site address to acquire cost-free digital ebook guide, and more. You'll also get a property tax appeal mind map, a comparative analysis worksheet, and free sold comparative home analysis access. Obtain your cost-free guidebook review essentials. Begin down the road to minimize your property taxes. Begin down the road to minimize your property taxes.